Hi viewers and welcome to new video on Smart Racer channel. Today, I will show you what is blow-off, how to install it on your smart car and what are advantages and disadvantages of this mod. Before we start, let me explain what is blow-off. In a turbocharged car, a blow-off valve is like a pressure relief valve for the engine. When you lift off the accelerator or shift gears, the throttle closes, causing pressure to build up in the intake system. Without a blow-off valve, this pressure could damage the turbocharger or cause lag when you get back on the gas. The blow-off valve releases this excess pressure, preventing damage and ensuring smooth acceleration. It's a vital component for maintaining the performance and reliability of turbocharged engines. Currently, there is only one manufacturer that produces blow-off valve for smart cars. It is Fortwo Motorsport. On their website you can find tutorial how to install it, but to make it more detailed, let me show you in this video how to do it. Whole installation process takes less than 30 minutes. First and the obvious step is to open our boot lead and remove the engine cover. For the installation of blow-off valve, we will need to remove top intercooler pipe that is connecting throttle body with intercooler. As you can see, on my car I have installed silicone pipes, which have bigger diameter than original, providing our car better performance and sound, but more about them later in video. For removal of clamps, use flathead screwdriver. First remove part connected to throttle body, and then pull the pipe towards yourself. Pipe is now out, and we are ready for installation. Let's do unboxing of blow-off valve. This kit includes everything that you will require to install the blow-off valve to your petrol Fortwos, all Roadsters, and the cross blade up to the early 2007 model year. Also included in this kit is a replacement silicone boost hose. These will not fit the 4x4 model, the diesel Fortwo or the new 451 model Fortwo. The valve has been specially designed for this vehicle and uses twin springs and dual pistons to prevent the valve from leaking air into the intake system at idle, with a 12 mm inlet to ensure a faster air velocity so that it sounds fantastic. First step in installation is to place the clamp on top side and then push blow-off valve inside. Tighten up clamp. Where you can buy this specific blow-off valve for your smart car. It is simple. Go to Fortwo Motorsport website and in search bar type in name of your car model. For example, I will write Smart Roadster. As you can see, Fortwo Motorsport is making also intercooler pipes and pipe for turbo intake. To place an order is simple. Shipping takes up to 2 weeks after payment. There is always good alternatives for car parts. In video description I will left you link for intercooler and turbo pipes that I use on my Smart Roadster for 6 years already, and there is no issues with them. Main benefit over standard pipes is throttle response and sound improvement. Your turbo noise and whistling will be more noticeable. Installation process is similar like taking out old intercooler pipe. Anyhow, due to blow-off valve, you might have issue with placing it correctly due to tight space. I suggest you to use extension for screwdriver to make this job easier for yourself. Connect vacuum hose to blow-off valve. After that, find T connection and connect vacuum hose from blow-off valve. Take off hose from fuel pressure regulator and connect to middle of T connection. Cut vacuum hose in the way that you have it enough to merge T connection with fuel regulator and blow-off valve. That is it. Now we are ready to test it, and see is there any difference in sound and performance. Let's check.